Aerial Applications uses drones and AI to create cost-effective and reliable visual intelligence and situational awareness. From disaster response to infrastructure management, we've mapped and analyzed hundreds of square miles of GIS sensor data in record time. We've built strong partnerships with the Verizon 5G First Responders Lab, the NVIDIA Inception program, and with clients like Comcast, Belfor, and Verizon. Right now, we're working with Joint Base San Antonio Camp Bullis to apply our technology to a specific problem. Camp Bullis is expanding their training grounds but needs to protect the habitat of an endangered bird that nests there. Mapping the bird's habitat is human intensive. People on foot walk the grounds to identify the various classes of juniper trees and assess the likelihood of an infestation by destructive pine beetles. We can automate this entire process using drones and AI to save Camp Bullis significant time and money. Our Direct to Phase 2 proposal implements our signed MOU with Camp Bullis to do just that. First, our research will distill a wide body of academic research on pine beetle detection and vegetation classification into methods we can codify digitally. Our drone fleet will then collect data using visual, hyperspectral, and LiDAR sensors. Our engineers will customize open source photogrammetry software to make it faster, more efficient, and more secure. Finally, our team will process all of the data through this software to produce the maps that Camp Bullis requires. The result will be a faster, scalable, secure platform that can use multiple drones to automatically map wide areas in a heterogeneous processing environment.